हे गाइस, वेलकम और वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम करने वाले हैं नायका हॉट पिंक सेल का हॉल। मैंने बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदे हैं। मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर कोरियन प्रोडक्ट्स एंड देन सम आर माय रीफिल्स एंड आई डू ऑल्सो वॉट सम लग्जरी ब्रांड्स। सो जस्ट वेट फॉर दैट। तो काफ़ी अच्छे सेल में चल रहे थे सारे के सारे ब्रांड्स। सो आई जस्ट बॉट so many things. So I'll be keep mentioning the prices to you all. So let's get started with the Korean skincare. So for the Korean skincare, मैं काफ़ी टाइम से काफ़ी Korean skincare यूज़ कर रही हूँ, but I do tried some new things and also I bought some of the refills. So the refills में मैं क्या what I got is this one. This one is snail mucin and I have already been using these, so please spare me with this. सारे प्रोडक्ट मैंने थोड़े थोड़े यूज़ करके देखे हैं एंड इसको यूज़ करते हुए 1 वीक हो रहा है एंड आई हैव यूज दिस मच बिकॉज ये मॉम ने भी यूज़ किया था, सो इट्स लाइक ऐसा थोड़ा ज़्यादा यूज़ हो गया। एंड देन आई गॉट दिस वॉज वेरी वायरल प्रोडक्ट, सो दिस वन इज़ माई रीफिल। मतलब मैंने ये सब ट्राई किया है एंड दिस इज़ बेस्ट. This is good for hydrating your skin and this gives you the glow, like the glass skin perfect glow. And then I have this 2-in-1 poreless power liquid. This one is also from Cosrx. So ये look at this product. मुझे बहुत अच्छा like ऐसे समझ नहीं आ रहा यूज, मतलब इट इस हाँ तो इसका यूज मुझे ठीक ठाक ही लग रहा है. इट्स लाइक it does smoothen your skin. मेरी skin ना oily है, so I either use these two and then I don't use any moisturizer over that. So yeah, that works for me. So you can try these two. This one is snail mucin and this one is the poreless powder. And then the next thing I got is this toner. So this was very viral toner, or look at this. खोपड़े से भी बड़ा है मेरे. सो ये दिस वन इज सेरामाइड मोची टोनर फ्रॉम टोनी मोली. सो दिस टोनर लाइक लुक एट दिस टोनर. हाँ तो बेसिकली ये टोनर काफ़ी अच्छा है. सी यू लुक, आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दिस थोड़ा सा, सो मैंने थोड़ा सा यूज़ किया है एंड दिस इज़ ऑसम. दिस इज़ गेम चेंजर. दिस इज़ लाइक परफेक्ट इफ यू वांट एनी राइस टोनर और समथिंग. दिस वन इज़ परफेक्ट. सो talking about toners, I do have one more toner which is this one, और ये भी मेरा refill pack है. So this one is from, I forgot the shop name. This one is Rice Ceramide Moisturizing Toner. So I think this one is from Face Shop. Yes, this one is from Face Shop. So basically this one is also rice ceramide toner, but this is nice if you are going for affordable. So this is from around 800 का है and this is around 1000 का. इतना difference नहीं है, but if you do want any toner, so I'll suggest you to go with this one. I think this one is my refill and I'll just use it because I do have this one. So I'll just use it because खत्म तो करना ही है. तो आफ्टर दैट आई हैव दिस इनिस्फ्री का स्नो सीरम मिनरल पैक्ड पाउडर. तो बेसिकली ये ऐसा दिखता है अंदर से. इट लुक्स लाइक दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट, और जैसे इसमें प्लास्टिक शीट लगी हुई है. आफ्टर दैट this is the product and this is the puff it comes in. Basically it claims that कि like आपको जो T-zones है and that gets very oily, right? So basically it gives you the oil free look. And what I got is this Lineage का set. So basically I got these two set. Okay, so ये है Lineage का lip glowy balm and this one is the flavor gummy bear and ये भी same lip sleeping mask है. This is also the flavor gummy bear. So this is how it looks from inside. ऐसा सा है और this smells so nice. It really smells like a gummy bear. So this, and then I got this Lineage का guashia. This was free because I got clothes. I really don't need this one because I already have one guasha, but look at the packaging. इतने प्यारे packaging में. This comes with such a cute packaging, and look how beautiful it is. Just look at it. So there is that. Then another thing which I got is Lineage ka hi, and this is water sleeping mask. So ये वाटर स्लीपिंग मास्क फॉर द ग्लोई स्किन, ये भी काफ़ी ट्रेंड में चला था एक टाइम पे. सो आई जस्ट थॉट टू गेट दिस वन, और दिस इज़ द टाइम आई एम गेटिंग दिस. तो दिस इज Lineage का वाटर स्लीपिंग मास्क, एंड आई शो यू हाउ लुक एट दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. जो मैंने एक बार भी यूज़ नहीं किया है अपने, दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स सो फार, एंड the texture बहुत ही amazing है, like literally amazing. So I'm looking forward to using it, but मेरे दिमाग से निकल गया इसे यूज़ करना. So let's see. I'll do tell you my like Korean skincare routine. उसकी भी एक वीडियो आएगी for sure. So wait for the next video. So the next thing which I got is, it's not a Korean skincare but it's not Indian also, it's Japanese. ये है Clayco का लिप स्क्रब. सो मैंने टू बी ऑनेस्ट काफ़ी लिप स्क्रब ट्राई करे थे टू गेट अ परफेक्ट लिप स्क्रब, बट मुझे अभी तक आई डेंट गेट एनी ऑफ देम टू बी एग्जैक्टली परफेक्ट. एंड ये 799 का था at the time I got this, and this is very small. Look at this. I feel like I got stamped while buying this, because just look at this, how tiny it is. Like, is it supposed to be that tiny or not? I don't know. Tell me if you even got that. Look how less quantity it has. Look, ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे खत्म हो गया था, and I haven't touched it yet, so I don't know. Now moving on to luxury. So I got bits and bits something of luxury. The first thing I bought about the luxury is this Sol de Janeiro. This one is Sol de Janeiro viral perfume mist, and I have seen this all over the internet, like literally all over the internet. So I thought, why not to get this? So let's just try it. Look at the packaging. And I've heard that Aqualogica has got like the dupes for these, but I thought, why not to try the original ones? So let's just. They smell amazing to me. Like, as said, as it's a viral product, so it just smells right. So the next thing for the luxury what I got is this Victoria's Secret ka perfume. So this is the perfume, and this one is Pure Seduction. So this one is my favorite mist. So I just got the restock for this one. Then again I got Bath and Body का body wash. This one is the lotion. I do also have the body wash. I'll just mention it. मेरे पास अभी है नहीं. So this one is Daily Nourishing Body Lotion Moisturizer. So this one is, I really love this moisturizer. It's just amazing. Like, it's like कि थोड़ा सा expensive पड़ता है, but like you will see the difference once you start using it. You just can never go back to the older ones. So okay. So next thing I got is this Clinique का lipstick, and this was like very viral at that time, and this one is in the shade Black Honey, and ये shade काफी viral जा रहा था. So this is how it looks. It is, it's like proper black, and it's too much. Like, look, this is this much quantity you will get while getting this. So, and I actually really don't like this one, because ये बहुत ही sheer है on your lips. It's too light. मतलब it's good if you are using it as a lip balm, but I don't think it's good as a lipstick. And if you say it's worth 2,000 rupees, then it's not. So moving on to another item, I got this one from Quench Beauty. ये करीना कपूर का ब्रांड है. So this is cleansing balm. This one is dissolving cleansing balm. This says it's deep deep cleansers and removes the waterproof makeup. So I just thought to try a cleansing balm, and I thought give it a try to this one. This is how it is, and ये actually अच्छा work करता है, but I think it's a bit expensive because इसका price है $299 and it's fine. Like quantity is very less, but it works well. So the next product are from Ordinary, and from Ordinary basically I have tried Ordinary के काफ़ी products, but the things I love most are first of all the salicylic acid, their moisturizer, and the glycolic acid. These are holy grails for my skin. So salicylic acid तो था मेरे पास, so I just got this Ordinary का glycolic acid and this Ordinary का moisturizer. It's a nice product, so do try this. So moving on to the next products. So these all are like my skincare products. Now let's get into the makeup things. I got so many products from Mars, like so many. So basically ये है Mars का fan brush, and this one is the 4-in-1 all-in-one brushes and the fan brush. Next thing I bought is this baking powder Mars का. Again मैंने Innisfree का भी लिया था, and I got this one also. So I think this one is better and this one is less cheaper. So you could go for this one also. This works wonder as well. So and then I got this blush, और ये Mars का blush है in the shade Flush of Love, I think. So this is how it looks basically. So I really love orange or nude blushes on me. That's why I did go for this. And I did got one more brush, which is from Faces Canada. Look at this brush. This one is contour brush. It's like this. Okay, let me show these brushes also. So this one is 4-in-1 brush. So this one is for the foundation, and this one can be for the like blush or contour. And then you have two more brushes, which are these two tiny little brushes. They can use as eye brushes also. So I really love these brushes. I haven't used them. And then again another one from the Faces Canada. Third one from the Mars. I did have some fan brushes, but I can never get enough fan brushes. I mean, it's like I'm obsessed with the fan brushes. Whenever I go for the shopping for the brushes, I just get 1 or 2 fan brushes every time. Look at this. This is so nice. It's very soft. There's that. Okay, so moving on to the next, now I do have some random things. I have this Melanica Rose blush. So this blush is very aesthetic and very cute, but I don't think so that it's like, look at this how it looks. But I don't think so, like after seeing the price of this, for like paying 1700 only for this blush, I don't think it's worth it. And इसका pigmentation अच्छा है, it's not that bad. I'm using this blush right now, so it's fine, it's good, but I don't think so that it's worth 1700 or something. Like I'll mention the price, but I really don't think that it's worth that money. But if you want to go for the aesthetic, if you want to get that rose for yourself, then go for the Milani. It's nice, it's very nice. And then last thing I got is Vaseline का ये moisturizer का pack, and this one is Gluta Hydra Dewy Radiant Serum and Lotion. So it says it's non-sticky, so let's see how does it works in winters, because I do have very oily skin and I really don't like oily skin in winters because काफी चिपचिप हो जाता है. And look at this. This is nice and इसके और भी colors थे, so I did want to try all the colors, but फिर मैंने सोचा कि let's get one and then see how it works and I'll buy another to show you guys. Okay, so that's all for today guys. Hope you like the video and I do know कि lighting थोड़ी सी खराब है, but I promise to fix it and until the next time, but do keep watching and do loving the video.